अगर आपका हाइड्रेशन ही प्रॉपर नहीं है तो नो मैटर कितना भी एक्सपेंसिव क्रीम यूज़ कर लो, स्किन डल ही लगने वाली है। हाय माय लवली पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट माय बेस्ट hydration picks, product that I've personally used for months and even years, and I keep going back to them. So this is not just a random list, this is tested, trusted and repurchased skincare. Before we start, quickly clarity, hydration और moisturizer same नहीं होता है. Hydration is water content in your skin. Moisturizing is sealing that hydration. So today I'll share products for oily, dry, combination and sensitive skin, basically something for everyone. Let's get started. Let's start with the one of the most used product, a hydrating gel moisturizer. This is something I've been using especially in summers and humid weather. Texture is super lightweight, almost like water gel. Apply करते ही absorb हो जाता है, no stickiness, no heaviness. Now after using it for months, what I have noticed is skin feels instantly refreshed, brightened, no excess oiling, hydration stays for long hours. And the best part, it has probiotics helps in maintaining skin barriers, reduce irritation, it improves overall skin health. For oily skin people, this is honestly a blessing. You get hydration without that chip feeling. Now this is something I've always recommend, especially if your skin is damaged, dry or sensitive. Ceramides are basically your skin barrier's best friend. They repair damaged skin, lock in moisture, prevent dryness. I've used this during times when my skin barriers were weak, and honestly it helped a lot. Texture is slightly thicker, so it is best for dry skin people. I also use it in winters, not in summers because it's slightly on the thicker side, but not greasy. After regular use, dry patches reduces, skin feels stronger, less irritation. मैंने इसको ना पूरे winter में ये ही particularly moisturizer use किया and it works amazingly on my skin. If you are using actives like retinol or exfoliating acids, you need something like this in your routine. Now let's talk about something slightly more premium and honestly one of my personal favorites, emulsions. It's like a lightweight lotion but way more hydrating internally. This one I've used for months, especially when my skin feels dehydrated but I don't want heavy creams. It gives deep hydration, skin feels plump, works beautifully under makeup. This is perfect for layering toner, serum, emulsion and moisturizer. And trust me, your skin will feel completely different. ये वो product है जो आपको instantly visible नहीं लगता, but over time skin quality बहुत improve करता है. So this is not available on Nykaa. इसका जो alternate है वो आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो एंड इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी मैंने आपको लिंक डाल दिया है, तो आप वो देख सकते हो. It works the same. Now coming to the mattifying moisturizer, something for oily skin girls and for normal skin people. I've used this during phases when my skin was super oily. And what I liked about it is it controls the oil immensely. It gives lightweight hydration, matte finish without dryness. Green tea helps in calming the skin and overall it keeps your face fresh for longer. So if you hate that greasy look, this is something you'll actually enjoy using. Now the next product is absolutely my current favorite, especially if you want hydration plus glow. I've been using this rice based skincare for quite some time now. There is a reason it's so hyped. Let me tell you why. Rice helps in brightening, improves skin texture, gives that soft glass skin type finish. And when you combine it with niacinamide, that's like hydration, repair, glow in one product. This gel cream, again lightweight but slightly more nourishing than the previous one. After consistent use, I've noticed skin looks more even. That subtle glow comes naturally. Hydration feels deeper. This is perfect. If you want that Korean skin kind of finish now without layering too many products, then this is the one. Now this is one of now this is more like your everyday simple moisturizer. I use this off and on for years, especially when I want something basic, no actives, no overthinking. Texture is creamy but not heavy, and it gives a very soft, smooth finish. Peach extracts plus vitamin E helps in nourishing the skin, keeps it soft and supple. This is great for beginners, college going routine, no for skincare days, and very affordable. Kabhi kabhi na simple products work the best, and this is exactly that type. तो इस वीडियो में सबके लिए सब कुछ है. So after using all these products for months and years, here what I have learned. Hydration is not about one product. It's actually choosing the right type for your skin. Oily skin, gel based. Dry skin people, ceramide based and little thicker, or I would say creamy based. If you have dull skin, then rice and niacinamide are best combo. Damaged skin, barrier repair. Once you understand this, your skincare becomes 10 times easier. So yeah, guys, these were my best hydration picks, all tried and tested and loved. If you loved this video and if this video somewhere helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me what's your current favorite moisturizer. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.